So I'm over here recording a updated chord progression. Chord progression here for the chorus of my song Tornadoes. Really tired, so my thoughts are a little bit amiss right now. Let's see how this sounds. I'll take my headphones off. A couple notes out of joint here. Now that sounds really good compared to what the rest of the song is doing. I have a very consistent chord progression. Let's hear this. A, B minor, G, D, back to A. So you can see when things are coming together, everything's going to sound messy at first. That's kind of how the creative process works. You're taking a mess, a bunch of paint on a easel, and or whatever the little painter's thing is where they mix all the paint. Sorry, I'm not a painter. But with notes, you're going to get all these muddy sounds here. And let's just take this one step at a time.